let's get straight into it. Okay, you've obviously clicked on my link or you've requested the information. So my name's Dave Johnson. I'm from England in the UK. I've been marketing for 4 years and this is my 2nd year in this industry that I've been full time. Now, if you've heard of the OLSP system before and you didn't like it, forget all that. Okay, this is totally brand new. It's been revamped. Wayne has spent $250,000 or more on this system very recently. Okay, so that was just for anybody that was in the system previously. If you're brand new to this, this is where you want to be. It's converting like gangbusters. Okay, we'll get onto my free offer in a minute. Just to prove this is me. There's my name and my details there. Obviously I've covered up the ones I don't want to share. Now this particular one here is the commissions that's owed to me that I've earned over the last 30 days. So that keeps continuously going up. So in the last 30 days I've earned nearly 2k. All right, and these are the commissions that's rolling in. That's my total commissions and the commissions that are coming in every day. Ranging from $7 to $14 right up to $2,600, which it was the one I got the other week. And if I can get one of those every month, then happy days. All right, so I'm going to teach you how I'm doing this. I'll get you into this system. I'm not going to go through everything you get, but there is some crazy bonuses with this, okay? And they are crazy. You can earn commissions, just for example, with this software, what you'll get for the $7, which I'm going to refund you. Okay, and this is just one of the things. It's some software where you can earn commissions straight away from Facebook by commenting on other people's posts. There's loads more. We introduce you to training traffic on how to get traffic to your link. So once you've purchased the mega link, which is the product I recommend you get, it will cost you $7. However, after 30 days and you haven't refunded, I will give you that $7 back. And like I say, you will have access to my Facebook group free for a month anyway. If you refund, then obviously I'll boot you out. But there's no occurring costs with this, okay? It's a $7 one-time payment and I'm going to give you that back. So it's a no-brainer. All right, this system works. It's converting like gangbusters. Get on it. You'd be a fool not to, folks. Okay, message me below. Just put OLSP in the message in Facebook Messenger so I know you've seen this video, and then we'll start talking. There'll be a link to join up under here, under the video, that will be connected to me, and it will take you straight to a page that will give you access to everything we've just spoke about. Okay folks, I'm going to talk to you soon. Make sure you get on this. Like I say, it's converting like gangbusters. You've seen the results I get. I'm going to share with you everything that I do. Okay folks, stay safe, have a great day.